Am I the only one that didn't know what you eat can drastically affect how motivated you feel? It's true. The foods you choose to consume can either enhance your mental clarity or leave you feeling foggy and unmotivated. Your brain needs the right fuel to function at its best, just like a car needs the right petrol. Without the proper nutrients, your brain can't perform optimally, leading to decreased productivity and focus. Choosing the wrong foods can leave you feeling sluggish and uninspired. Junk food, high in sugars and unhealthy fats, can cause energy crashes and impair cognitive function. But making smart food choices can supercharge your motivation and help you achieve your goals. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains into your diet can make a significant difference. Think of your brain as a powerful engine. Just like an engine needs high-quality fuel to run efficiently, your brain requires nutritious foods to stay sharp. To run smoothly, it needs high-quality fuel. Fresh, colourful fruits and vegetables are packed with essential nutrients that support brain health. Healthy foods provide the vitamins, minerals and antioxidants your brain needs to stay sharp and focused. These nutrients help protect your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. So if you're feeling mentally drained, it might be time to take a closer look at your plate. By making mindful food choices, you can boost your brain power and enhance your overall well-being. We've all been there, that afternoon slump after a heavy lunch. Those greasy burgers and fries might be tempting, but they can seriously sabotage your motivation. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine can lead to energy crashes, leaving you feeling foggy and unfocused. These types of foods provide quick bursts of energy, but they're followed by rapid drops in blood sugar. This roller coaster effect can wreak havoc on your motivation and make it difficult to concentrate. So, what should you be eating to keep your motivation soaring? Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy release. Think colourful fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Choose lean protein sources like fish, chicken and beans to keep you feeling full and energized. And don't forget about healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts and seeds are great for brain health and can help improve your mood and focus. Sometimes even seemingly healthy foods can contain hidden ingredients that drain your energy. These ingredients are often masked under complex names or hidden in the fine print. Processed foods often contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives that can negatively impact your health. Unhealthy fats, commonly found in fast food, can leave you feeling sluggish and unmotivated, making it harder to stay active and focused. That's why it's so important to read food labels carefully. Understanding what you consume can make a significant difference in your energy levels. Pay attention to serving sizes, as they can be misleading and cause you to consume more than intended. Be mindful of the amount of sugar, saturated fat and trans fats, which can contribute to energy crashes and long-term health issues. Also, watch out for high sodium content, as it can lead to bloating and decreased energy levels. By making informed choices and opting for whole, unprocessed foods, you can avoid these hidden energy zappers and keep your motivation levels high, ensuring you stay active and productive throughout the day. Ultimately, the best way to discover how food impacts your motivation is to listen to your body. This means being in tune with the signals your body sends you after consuming different types of food. Pay attention to how you feel after eating different meals and snacks. Notice if certain foods make you feel more alert and focused, or if they leave you feeling tired and sluggish. Do you feel energized and focused after a salad with grilled chicken, packed with nutrients and lean protein? Or do you feel sluggish and unproductive after a burger and fries, which might be high in unhealthy fats and sugars? Your body will tell you what it needs to thrive. It's all about recognizing these patterns and making adjustments accordingly. By making mindful choices and prioritizing whole, nutritious foods, you can create a positive impact on your overall well-being. You can fuel your body and mind for success. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains can make a significant difference. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Your journey and experiences are valuable, How has changing your diet affected your motivation levels? Have you noticed any specific foods that boost your productivity? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others to make positive changes in their own lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand the powerful connection between food and motivation. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content that can help you lead a healthier, more focused life, please like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Remember, every small change you make can lead to a big impact on your overall well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to fuel your body and mind for success. See you in the next video.